vehicle in the lane.
Vehicle signal 4. 2 occupants fleeing. Bravo Mike and a Whiskey Foxtrot, pink hair. Bravo Mike has no shirt on.
Copy. Whiskey Foxtrot, pink hair. Bravo Mike, no shirt, fleeing on foot.
Vehicle clear. 133, have been paid you were having already, please.
Do you know which one the driver was?
Vanilla 1.
Join me on 5133, and I'm north of the signal 4 of the vehicle.
Do we know which one the driver was?
Driver is the female.
Okay.
So run your 5133.
Yes, ma'am. I'm in an unmarked silver Explorer in plain clothes as well.
Coming on scene. You have a Bravo Mike suspect with no shirt, white female with pink hair. Last seen headed into the wood line behind Builders First, eastbound.
One more unit with K9.
Yep.
Yeah.
Sheriff's Office K9, come out now with your hands up. Announce yourself or I will send the dog and he will bite you. K9 10 to flagler.
K910.
Providing K9 announcements. Atta boys.
Good boy, push him out.
How about this way? Green, green.
We're coming out of the woods. With 311.
Copy.
614, I'm heading over to.
Temple.
Probably good problem. Place over there, okay, now.
On your face!
Stop talking!
Yes, sir.
You have any weapons on your person?
No, sir, at all.
Why'd you run?
Sir, she got scared. Somebody told us to take that truck back to Army by the Sea, sir.
Really?
We'll give you the name and everything.
That's why you ran?
Yes, sir. We'll give you the name and everything.
Hey, go ahead, handcuff. I got mail.
On your back. Yes, sir.
614, I'm heading over to.
We was just told to take the truck back, sir.
Don't move, alright?
I'm not going to, sir.
Probably good problem.
I'm not going to move at all.
Try 210 flag.
Scared of your life.
Bravo Mike, Whiskey Foxtrot, secured.
Especially scared of your life.
Hey, do we know about any other passengers?
Do you have any medical?
Do we know about any other passengers? I don't know who was behind it. Do we have any other passengers here?
Yes, sir. Give me a hand, sir.
Huh?
Female was the driver. Give me the passenger.
Bring your foot towards you, and we'll stand you up and move you into the shade. Okay, we'll help you out. Move your foot. There you go.
Stop running. I didn't realize you were coming out. I can't
More? Okay.
What's first name?
Ready.
Randy Moore. Okay. I remember you from Holly Hill.
Water?
Here, you want some water? Some more. You want some water? Hey, you want to move into the shade? Let's get back there. I'm good. Get it to K9 and